Mastering time, colons, periods, AM and PM in English. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to journey into the fascinating world of English time expressions. We will focus on how to read and write time using AM and PM, and we will be especially looking at how to use colons and periods correctly when writing time. Let's get started. When we write time in English, we usually separate the hours from the minutes with a colon, smiley face. For example, if it's 1 hour and 30 minutes past midday, we write it as 1:30. Remember, the number before the colon is the hour and the number after the colon is the minutes. But how do we know whether 1:30 is in the day or night? That's where AM and PM come in. In English, we use AM to denote the hours from midnight until just before midday, and PM for the hours from midday until just before midnight. So, if we say 1:30 p.m., it means it's 1 hour and 30 minutes past midday. AM stands for ante-meridiem, which is Latin for before midday, and PM stands for post-meridiem, meaning after midday. You don't need to remember these Latin terms, but it's fun to know the origins, right? You now know how to write the time with a colon, but where do we use periods when telling the time? Well, when we are using AM or PM, we place a period after each letter, AM and PM. However, you might also see AM and PM written without periods in informal situations or on digital clocks. But remember, it's essential to use the periods when writing formal texts, such as in an exam or official document. So, 1:30 in the afternoon should be written as 1:30 p.m. Let's recap. To write time in English, we separate hours from minutes using a colon. We use AM and PM to indicate whether it's before or after midday, and we place a period after each letter of AM and PM in formal writing. So, if it's 7:15 in the morning, we write 7:15 AM, and if it's 8:45 in the evening, we write 8:45 PM. And there you have it, folks. You've just mastered how to read and write time in English, using AM, PM, colons, and periods. With practice, this will soon become second nature. We hope you found this lesson helpful. Keep practicing and exploring the English language. Remember, every minute you spend learning is time well spent. See you in our next video. Happy learning!